This is Cook with Appu. Today we are going to make Kerala parota. Today we are going to make very famous Kerala dish, that is Kerala parota. With that I wanted to make something with that which we can eat it with the parotas. For that I am making on tom curry. For that we need is onion, tomato, coriander, ginger, garlic, slit green chili, mustard seeds. Then in spices we need is only 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of sabji masala, which we get it usually in stores, or else you can put more red chili powder and you can skip the sabji masala, and just 2 to 3 pinches of turmeric and oil. So let's first make the on tom curry, then we'll make the dough for the parotas which I have made. I'll tell you what all things we need for that. So let's start. As you can see, oil is getting heated, and one more thing I'd like to tell you, that I have not told the quantities. I'll tell it now while putting itself. So for that we need is 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 2 to 3 ginger small pieces cut, and then garlic also I've taken 1 to 3 cloves, and 1 green slit chili. I'll put it in the oil. You can put curry leaves also, but I'm not using curry leaves. I'll be using coriander powder at last. That's why coriander leaves also I'm using. You can see when the mustards will splutter fully, then we'll put the onion. Oil I've taken 2 to 3 teaspoons. You can take less oil also, but this sabji looks good and tastes good with some oil. Then I have not told the quantity, so I am putting almost 5 to 6 onions. According to people, you can decrease or increase the quantity of onions. Now we'll just stir fry it nicely till it's soft. And it's told that if you put salt, I have put the salt and I am mixing it. You have to just, if you are cutting big, you have to just press the onions. You can cut small also. I have cut big for my convenience. Now I'll cover it till it's soft. Almost it takes 5 to 10 minutes. So let's cover it and keep it for 5 to 10 minutes. Then I'll show you. Now you can see I've kept dough. This is the dough. For this dough we need is 2 cups of maida. I have taken for 4 to 5 people. 2 cups of maida, half teaspoon of cooking soda, then 2 teaspoons of rava I have taken to make it crispier, and oil. Obviously you have to cover it with oil and take little water and make it like soft. You can see this should be the way it should be, soft, till our on tom curries onions are getting ready. That's why I'm showing this. And for that we need is to make roll out, we need is all purpose flour for dusting, and clarified butter or oil. That also while rolling out we need. That is the main thing for the Kerala parota. I'll teach you how to make it. Okay, so you can see our onions have become a bit soft. When they are done half, then we'll put the tomatoes. Now some more time it will take, then we'll put the tomatoes. Let's cover it, and till that time I have kept the dough to rest. You can see our onion is half ready. Now we'll put the tomatoes. I have taken 2 to 3 tomatoes cut, and now I've put with the onions. We'll also mix it and keep till it's soft. When both are soft, we'll put the spices. So let's see after some minutes. Almost 5 to 10 minutes it will take. So I'll show you how to make the Kerala parotas. We tell it parota, not paratha. So for that we need is, for dusting, we all purpose flour. Then clarified butter. This is made in home by my granny. You can use the ready-made one also. As you can see, I have taken a big ball of the dough. Now I'll just press it, and then we have to put the flour. Then we have to roll it out like a thick chapati. I'll show you after that the update. As you can see, I've rolled out into a big chapati with it should be this much thick. And while rolling out, you have to put oil or clarified butter and then flour little dusting. Then you have to roll it out. Then for further, we have to make it like we make the paper fans. We have to fold it this side, then back side, then this side, back side, this side, back side, like we make the paper fans. So let me make one fold and show you. First you have to fold that side, then you can see I folded the reverse side. Like we make the paper fans, you have to fold it like that, and at last how it looks I'll show you. As you can see, it looks like this. Then we have to stretch it and make it into spiral. As you can see, I have stretched it. It will stretch only when you put oil or clarified butter while rolling out. Don't forget to put that. Then we will make it into spirals. As you can see, it looks like this, like a spiral. Now we will just roll it out. You can have it once in a while. It needs because clarified butter and oil. But you can see I have rolled out, and if you can see properly, then you can see that small lines have come like circle. That shows that it's circle should come. Now we will take it in a pan and make it. I've taken a normal pan, not a non-stick, and as you can see our on-top curry is in the sim and it's still getting ready. That's why I'll continue with the Kerala Parota. When the pan heats up, we will keep this Kerala Parota which was rolled out. You can still see that circles. We'll apply some clarified butter on it. Just a pinch of clarified butter. Now we'll turn it over. You can see one side is cooked, other side is also cooking, and we have to keep in medium high flame, and after some time we have to flip it occasionally. After that I'll show you. You can see our Kerala Parota. It's ready. See the spirals, it looks so nice. If you want to check it, you can just check it out with a spoon also. See this, the layers it has formed. This shows that our Kerala Parota is ready. It's such a good color if you use the clarified butter. Now we'll see our on-top curry also. Onion and tomato, which was covered for almost 10 to 15 minutes, is now very soft. Let's give it a mix, then put the spices. I have mixed it very nicely. Now I'll put the spices which I told you. 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of sabji masala, or else you can put 1 teaspoon of red chili powder instead of putting half. Then 2 to 3 pinches of turmeric, and salt we had put with the onions. And don't put water. You can see tomatoes have taken out their own water, and onions also. Now we'll put the spices which I told you. I've put all the spices. Now I'll mix it well. You can see I've mixed it very nicely. Now I'll put the coriander leaves. After putting the coriander leaves, we'll mix it and cover it for 2 minutes or 3 minutes. As you can see, our on-top curry and Kerala Parota is ready. So please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and share this recipe to others. They should also enjoy this recipe. Please like, subscribe and share. This is Cook with Appu. Thank you. I'll be posting more recipes Please press the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.